Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this case study pair of linear equations in two variables problem. A school is organizing a grand cultural event to show the talent of its students. To accommodate the guests, the school plans to rent chairs and tables from a local supplier. It finds that rent for each chair is rupees 50 and for each table is rupees 200. The school spends rupees 30,000 for renting the chairs and tables. Also, the total number of items, chairs and tables rented are 300. If the school rents X chairs and Y tables, answer the following questions. What is the first question? Write down the pair of linear equations representing the given information. What is given if the school rents X chairs and Y tables? Let the number of chairs be represented as X. Let the number of tables be represented as Y. Next, what is given? Also the total number of items, chairs and tables rented are 300. So X plus Y is equal to 300. X is for chair, Y is for table. This is first equation. Next equation. It finds that rent for each chair is rupees 50 and for each table is 200. The school spends 30,000 rupees for renting the chairs and tables. Chairs is X. So 50X plus table is 200 Y equal to 30,000 rupees. Divided by 50, we will simplify this one. 50X divided by 50 plus 200Y divided by 50 equal to 30,000 divided by 50. 50 50 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 1 times 4 times, 0 0 cancel, 1 times 600. X plus 4Y is equal to 600. This is second equation. Second question, second A. Find the number of chairs and number of tables rented by the school. We will simplify this one. We will use elimination method to find the number of chairs and tables. What is the equation? X plus Y is equal to 300. This is the first equation. Second equation is X plus 4Y is equal to 600. This is second equation. Minus, minus, minus. Plus and minus cancel. Minus 3Y. Minus 4Y is the biggest number. So we will take minus here. Equal to minus 300. Minus 3Y is equal to minus 300. Minus minus cancel. 3Y is equal to 300. Y is equal to 300 divided by 3 is 100. So Y is equal to 100. Next, we will find chairs, right? Substitute Y is equal to 100 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? X plus Y is equal to 300. X plus Y value is 100 equal to 300. X is equal to 300 minus 100. X is equal to 200. Answer is number of chairs. X is equal to 200. Number of tables. Y is equal to 100. This is the answer for second question A. Next, 2B. If the school wants to spend a maximum of rupees 27,000 on 300 tables and chairs, then find the number of chairs and tables it can rent. 300 items. Already given in this question, total number of items, chairs and tables rented are 300. This is the first equation. X plus Y is equal to 300. This equation you have to write it as it is. Next, school wants to spend a maximum of rupees 27,000. So what we will take? Chairs is 50 rupees, table is 200. This won't change. We will write it as it is. 50x plus 200y is equal to this 27,000. We will write it here. This is second equation. We will simplify this one divided by 50. 50x divided by 50 plus 200y divided by 50 equal to 27,000 divided by 50. 1 times, here is 0 cancel, 4 times, 0, 0 cancel. 1 times 5 5s are 25 to 40. Equation is x plus 4y is equal to 540. This is the second equation. Now we will find the number of charts and tables. First equation is x plus y is equal to 300. Second equation is x plus 4y is equal to 540. Minus, minus, minus. Plus and minus x is cancel. Plus y minus 4y is, minus is the biggest number, write it, 3y equal to, minus is the biggest number, put minus. 540 minus 300 is 240. Minus 3y is equal to minus 240, minus minus cancel, y is equal to 240 divided by 3, y is equal to 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 24, 80, y is 80. Substitute y is equal to 80 in equation 1. We will write equation 1, x plus y is equal to 300. X plus y value is 80 equal to 300. X is equal to 300 minus 80. X is equal to 220. Number of chairs, x is equal to 220. Number of tables, y is equal to 80. This is the answer for second B question. Next, what is the maximum number of tables that can be rented in rupees 30,000 if no chairs are rented? So what is the first and second equation? X plus y is equal to 300. This is the first equation. Second equation is 50x plus 200y is equal to 30,000. This is second equation. In this question, you see if no chairs are rented. Chairs is x, right? You see chairs is x. So what we will do, 50 into chairs is, we will take it as 0 plus 200y is equal to 30,000. 50 into 0 is 0 plus 200y is equal to 30,000. 200y is equal to 30,000. Y is equal to 30,000 divided by 200. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 1 times, here is 150. Y is equal to 150. In this question, no need to take the first equation. We will calculate only the maximum number of tables. So y is the number of tables. So number of tables can be rented is 150. This is the answer for third question. I hope you understood the explanation. Like the video. Thanks for watching this video.